Hi, this is Greg Davis at MarineMax here in Savannah. Want to give you a quick look at a trade-in I just took in. This is a 2021 Yamaha 212X. This is their wake boat. Comes with the galvanized trailer, swing away tongue. Only 68 hours and all freshwater use on this boat. Give you a quick look at it. It's in great shape. All the sea deck looks great. It does have the ballast system for wakeboarding, tubing, skiing, the table mount for the back, stereo control, great access in and out of the water, as Yamaha always does, wakeboard racks, speaker on the tower. Give you a quick look inside real quick. It's in great shape, great layout, 2 captain seats, speakers throughout. Great seating up front, comes with the sea deck that snaps in and out, has their 12-inch Connect screen. Everything's done via remote control. Great front bow seating, dedicated anchor storage. This all fills in also. Give you a look in the back here. Ready to hit the water for this spring, wakeboarding, tow sports. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat here at MarineMax in Savannah, feel free to give me a call. Area code 912-525-0968. Thank you so much.